Hi, I'm Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I find this one of the more important videos on covers. Now, a lot of times people will go into a place and they'll put you in a cover and not think about if that's the right cover. And this is real important, having the right cover for your truck. Now what we have here is a brand new GMC Sierra 3500, and it is the dually. As you can see, the fender comes out. And it's not just a dually, it's an 8-foot bed. This is one of the longest beds that GMC makes. Now, having the right cover is very, very important. When this guest came in here, I told him which covers I recommended, and some of them I didn't recommend. Now, he was asking about a folding cover. Folding covers, they do make for this, and they look very nice. But, and I went outside and I'm gonna show you what I showed him. Now, if you're doing a folding cover and it's a 5-foot bed or 5.5-foot bed or some 6 or 6.5, it's not so bad. But an 8-foot, you are folding it, folding it, folding it, folding it. It's a lot of folding, right? Because it's an 8-foot bed. And then on top of that, take a look on the distance between reaching in there and folding the cover. You got this big fender flare from this dually. So I told him the best one to get is a cover that rolls and has a strap. Roll-N-Lock makes a terrific cover that fits that need. So this is the M series, which is their most popular model. Now, this thing, let's go ahead and see it. Okay. Now, they do have it where you do not lock the tailgate, which is real important because this has the multi-function tailgate, and we really don't want to lock that tailgate. So let's go in here. Now, the reason I like this, see this little strap right here? See how fast that is? That is very, very quick. And we're folding. That takes a long time. With the rolling cover, I can open it up very, very quickly. Also, this does not take up a lot of space in the bed here. For example, the canister in this is very small, which I like a lot. So this doesn't take up a lot of room. So we have plenty of space in the bed. And as you can see, the strap is not in the way. It actually has a nice little spot to latch it in here, which I like a lot. So again, I can take it. Very, very easy, as you can see. So you got plenty of space. Now if you look, this truck is set up for a fifth wheel or gooseneck. Now he was asking, will this cover get in the way of him towing? The answer is no. Actually, the center here is where everything's going to be back. We're at the fifth wheel and gooseneck. As you can see, lots of space left over. It will not, as you can see, this actually has one of the smallest canisters. So with this 8-foot bed, he's got 90% or more of the bed available. It doesn't take up that much space. Now, as you know, with all my videos, I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons. Now, the reason I left this out here, this has a multi-function tailgate. This does not work with it. As you can see, I had to be removed because the rail system would take the spot. So you have to keep that in mind. But to be honest with you, this thing works just fine without it. I mean, no problem whatsoever. I really don't need that. Customer does not need that. It's nice to have, but it's not needed. Easy setup. Looks good. You got a nice look. It actually matches the truck perfectly. And again, you know, of course everyone's got, does it work with the multi-function tailgate? Of course, works great. Now if you like what you see, we really would love that you hit the like button. And of course, subscribing to our channel is real important to us. We're trying to get to that magic 1,000 subscribers, and we're moving along pretty quick. And of course, if you like what you see here, and you say, you know what, I would love to get that roll-n-lock from C&H Auto Accessories, you can buy it from us. You can go onto our website and buy it. You can call the store and buy it. Of course, you can come into our showroom and buy it. You got lots of options. So again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you for tuning in.